Question 11 asks us what something is most like. That makes it an analogy question. We're going to research something from the passage, and then the answer choices are going to give us a situation that's from a different discipline that has the same relationship as the original. The specific thing we're being asked about here is the relationship between Cameron and her artworks, her fancy subject pictures. Before we look for the analogous relationship, we have to understand the original relationship, which is mostly laid out in the first paragraph. Cameron is the one who created these amazing pictures of everyday objects, but the things that make them good aren't exactly what she intended them to be. There's a disconnect between what she was trying to do and what happened, between the materials that she used and the effect of her works. So we're going to be looking in the answer choices for something that has that relationship. Answer choice A, a playwright. But this playwright is introducing those incongruous elements, and Cameron didn't intend to introduce those elements. Also, those weird elements, the things that don't match. In Cameron's work, that created a closeness between the audience and the artist, and this playwright is trying to preserve a distance. So wrong for a lot of reasons. Answer choice B, a rap artist whose lyrics are subverting the meaning on purpose. Cameron, although her meaning and her actuality don't match up, she wasn't trying to subvert it. It just happened that way. It was the disconnect between what she tried to do and what happened. She didn't try for a disconnect. Answer choice C, a sculptor whose works possess a certain grandeur, so they're good, even though they're clearly constructed out of ordinary objects. This matches. Cameron's materials were everyday things, the mundane stuff, and the author does say that her stuff was good, so that would be similar to having a certain grandeur. Answer choice C matches, so it is our answer. What's wrong with D and E? Well, the architect in D is trying to make his building as functional as possible. That wasn't Cameron's intent. She wasn't trying for functionality, but rather the high-minded, serious art. And then E, the film director is going the wrong way around. He's using ordinary people to give the appearance of a documentary, that is, to make it more everyday. Cameron was using everyday people, but trying to make it more serious, more high-minded, more artistic. So, the answer was answer choice C.